Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'll take you through CODA. So CODA is congestion detection and avoidance protocol that which mainly makes use of buffer occupancy level and the channel load condition in order to avoid congestion, detect as avoid congestion. The main aim of the CODA is to detect and avoid congestion in wireless sensor network. So that is, in wireless sensor network we can find congestion around the sink because we can find congestion around the sources because sources being the data generator or the creator who generate more and more data, but due to congestion it cannot transmit, so thereby this traffic builds up, congestion builds up around the source. And then we have the other way, where the other place where we can find congestion is we can find temporary congestion at local hotspots. So these two types of congestion, for these two types of congestion, CODA provides local congestion control mechanism. CODA provides three mechanisms via receiver based congestion detection. Usually this thing occurs at the receiver nodes. Then we have this open loop hop by hop back pressure signaling to inform source about the local congestion. And in this, when congestion is found, suppression message will be passed from the congested node back to the source node so that it can decrease its transmission rate. And the third one, we have closed multi source regulation for persistent and larger scale congestion condition. If the source generates data traffic that which is greater than the capacity of the entire network, so this leads to congestion that which is very large in scale. And during such condition, a regulation bit of acknowledgement packet will be set to 1 and will in turn be sent to the source. So as said, this CODA algorithm makes use of buffer occupancy level because each of the router will be associated with its own buffer occupancy and channel load condition as indicator of congestion. So here is an example that which shows open loop hop by hop back pressure mechanism of CODA. So wherein we are having this congested area here marked in dotted lines, and there is this source trying to pass on its data to the sink that which is located in the congested area. Through the congested area it can reach this sink, but there is this congestion and there is this packet getting lost. So this node will transmit congestion signaling through suppression message by making use of reverse path, and this congestion control is called as open loop hop by hop back pressure. And using cross layer routing, we can reroute this message packet via the other path where there is no congestion in order to reach the sink, and that is shown in this diagram where cross layer routing is happening over here. Then we have this closed loop where if the source is generating more data than that of the capacity of the entire network, then regulation bit will be set in the acknowledgement packet in the reverse path. If the source node injects traffic larger than the network can handle, R greater than Vs max, local congestion control algorithm open loop hop by hop back pressure can't relieve the congestion. Such cases, CODA uses closed loop multi-source regulation mechanism. Each source node monitors a source rate R. If source R is greater than Vs max threshold, that is maximum theoretical throughput of the channel, the source enters closed loop control where regulation bit will be set to 1 in the header packet informing the sink. If source cannot receive acknowledgement message from the sink, it determines network to be widely congested. So this is about CODA. CODA has three kinds wherein we went through open loop and closed loop in detail. In the next tutorial, let's go through query processing architecture.